guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. I was about to say another motivational cleaning video because I'm so used to that, but this is not a cleaning video, this is a grocery haul. So thanks for coming back. I haven't done a grocery haul in a very long time. I'm not very good at grocery hauls. I did keep my receipt this time, so I'll let you guys know how much I spent at the end. I normally wholesale shop once a week and then I'll go back for a couple of things that I need during the week if necessary. In case you guys are wondering, I went to Sam's Club to grocery shop. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I'm always at Sam's Club at least once or twice a week. The haul's behind me, so you guys can already see what's kind of in the background. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's get started. All right, I moved my haul from the stove and counter area back here to my kitchen table that I brought into the kitchen to hold all of the stuff because I don't know, I just felt like that was gonna work, so that's what I did. So the first thing I want to show you guys are these beautiful flowers. It's gonna be really crackly and make a lot of noise, but look at how cute this is. I love this. I always pick up, well, recently I've been enjoying picking up fresh flowers. Picked up some sunflowers from Trader Joe's about a week or 2 weeks ago. This is my favorite bouquet that I've seen. Bouquet, whatever you call it. I love it. It's perfect for fall. And the baby's breath, I'm not sure if that's baby's breath and they just dyed it like a different color or whatever, but I really like this. Am I too close to the camera? I feel like I'm too close. Anyways, yep, I got some flowers that I'm super excited about. Let me watch this first part because I'm so awkward talking. Blueberries, my kids love berries and fruits. We got a ton of fruit like always, and I'm sure I'll be back in the next 3 days to pick up a lot more. Raspberries, strawberries. My son loves strawberries. I also got some apples. My son also loves apples. All of the kids love apples, but my son especially. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm so happy I caught that on camera. I might even leave it in. Pears. I don't like pears and neither does Ruby, but Sultan and Emir do, so got them some pears. I pretty much always get these from Sam's Club. I've been getting them for like a year or two now. They're just chicken and cheese ravioli. They're already cooked. You just have to boil it. I don't boil them. I do mine on the pan with just some olive oil and they taste really good. They make it a little bit crispy, or the olive oil makes it a little bit crispy, and I like it that way. So these are for me for like quick lunches. The kids don't eat these. I forgot to say blackberries. Got some blackberries too. Broccoli cheddar soup. This is the Panera. Yeah. Panera broccoli and cheddar soup. I love this. Me and my best friend in high school, we would always go to Panera and get broccoli cheddar soup and a bacon turkey bravo. Let me know in the comments if you guys like Panera too. I love Panera. I got this Stouffer's instant lasagna. It's just like one that you put in the microwave and heat it up. Salmon that's already marinated. I normally would just get fresh salmon, but I honestly don't have the time to cut and parcel and separate everything and then marinate it. So I just picked up this so it can be quick and easy. My kids love salmon. Smoked turkey breast. This is for toasted sandwiches or just omelets. My son likes to have omelets in the mornings. Got some weenies. I'm kidding. I never call them weenies. I don't normally pick up hot dogs, you guys. This is like a once in a while type of thing that I'll get hot dogs. Lately, I've been super busy, so anything that I can get that's quick for me to do for the kids or myself is great. Another quick meal, some pulled chicken. I forgot to get Hawaiian rolls for this. This is gonna be so good with Hawaiian rolls. Tomatoes. Everybody in our house loves tomatoes. I got some French toast sticks. My mom always gets these for her kids. My mom has a daycare, so she always buys these for the kids for breakfast, and I just felt like getting French toast sticks this time. Last time we got waffles, and this time we got French toast sticks, and I'm excited about this. Hopefully the kids will like this because if I give them a waffle, they get used to the waffle or the pancake, so if they see something like this in a different form, they kind of don't want to eat it, but hopefully they like it. I have 3 quart size almond milk. My kids don't drink regular cow's milk. They just never have and just don't, so I pick up 3 of these, and this goes by really quickly because you guys know I have 3 kids plus me. I use almond milk with my protein shake, so we need this stuff. I got some Chobani yogurts. This comes with 4 different flavors. That's pretty good. My daughter, Sultan, she loves yogurt. This is mainly just for her. Sometimes the other 2 will eat yogurt, but mainly she loves yogurt. Got this for the kids for breakfast because they always ask for cereal. Honestly, they don't only eat cereal in the morning. They eat cereal like all throughout the day after every meal. It's like their dessert after everything. Last thing I got was some whole wheat sliced bread for sandwiches, tuna sandwiches, turkey sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly, whatever, or just toast. Blueberry bagels, like we always pick up. Hoagie rolls because, or these are not really hoagies, I don't know, these are just like buns, but I'll use these for toasted sandwiches or just pretty much anything. My kids love to eat bread. Every kid loves bread. I don't think I got anything that wasn't food related. I spent $205.50. That's pretty average per week. That's what I spent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and I will do more grocery hauls because I grocery shop all the time. So yeah, just do more grocery hauls, right? Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more hauls like this. And until then, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!